good, YouTube? It's your boy Legend Z34, back at it again with another video. Hey, we stock Boyz right now. We stock Boyz. Hey, I sold the quick release yesterday because I need to change my tunes, bro. I need to change my tunes. I couldn't link it to my quick release. It'll be too much work. I wasn't trying to deal with the headache. But hey, we back. We back, baby. We back. Right now, I'm going to my boy's house. I'm gonna wash the cars for tonight. I'm gonna do a couple pulls, some rolls. Let's see. Fridays for the boys, you know what I'm saying?
I get in my bag, I'll do it up for my dog. Last at the bank, I'm like, oh. I know my haters, they want me to fall off. Kick a nigga down with a sawed off.
What up, motherfucker? Sheesh. Pour that shit, dog. Oh, you fucking. Oh yeah.
You like that?
I think he wants to race. Chill, bro. It's raining. Hey, bitch. Oh, this nigga gapping. Chill. Sheesh. Alright, let's watch this thing now. Fuck. Fucking weather's bad as fuck right now. Let's get this thing looking right, boys. Let's get it looking right.
A few moments later.
Hurry up!
Fuck no,
Hurry
turn it
up.
off.
Tony, we're gonna light the house on fire. Oh. Seriously, you need to help me. We gotta put it over here.
You think of that? Oh shit. I ain't touching this. It's on fucking fire, nigga.
Fuck. You idiot!
Oh shit.
We're gonna burn it.
Oh fuck. YouTube. Sheesh. My boys went through GT350. Yes, sir. Clean boys, baby. Right now, headed to the Elote station, you know what I'm saying? Now, my bro needs to fill up on E85. He's about to run out in his GT350. I can't wait till I'm on E. 2 more weeks. It's gonna be nasty, bro. It's gonna be nasty, boys. Bumble dick. Fuck yeah, dog. Oh shit. Bumble C.
Check out my comment.
Oh shit. Should've got some snacks. No, I'm just kidding. I'm always hungry, bros. I'm always hungry. Let's see what's popping. About to hit Montgomery. Get a few races in. I don't know. It's probably my last weekend with this setup, since I am going full bolts on. Sheesh. Yeah, that's for next video. That's for next video.
Those ones look good too, bro.
Thank you. Yeah, those.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Fucker's nasty, fuck. It's still at 20, 20, 40.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna call it a night. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get some content, some racing. I was gonna go to the races tonight, but it's too hot, dude. It's too hot. But tomorrow for sure, I'll try to get some rolls in, some digs, get some more car content of the 370, and maybe my Boyz 350, yeah, GT 350 with the Whipple on it. We'll get some content on that pretty soon. So okay, bro. So I want to talk to you guys for a few minutes about what the plan is on the build in the next few weeks. So I am going full bolt on. I've been posting all over my social media what I'm gonna do. No, I'm not going turbo. That'll be soon. But I'm going full bolt ons. I bought a Specialty Z flex fuel kit. I bought GTR injectors. I got an upper and lower ported manifold set from Trigger Spec. And I also got some ISR long tube headers. So I'm tuning in 2 weeks, and I'll keep you guys updated on the videos of the installation of everything. I ain't installing the headers. I'm taking it to a local shop out here because that's too much work, bro. That's hard work, especially in the 370. There's no room to work in at all. But other than that, we're gonna be installing the ported manifold set and the flex fuel kit ourselves. Shit, hopefully it makes some good power, dude. Hopefully it makes some good power with the Tome, especially with the custom white pipe that Vato's Garage made me. Yeah, but right now, dude, I'm just exhausted intake and tune, and yeah, this motherfucker eats. But that's the plan in the next few weeks. Is I'm going full bolt on, and yeah, races coming soon, more car content. Guys, stick around, like and subscribe. Legend family, we out.
I get in my bag, I'll do it up for my dog. Last at the bank, I'm like, oh. I know